Alright, today we're printing the second impression for this Hasui moored boat print, and we're printing the gradation in the sky. So we'll be working just up in this top portion of the block. This is kind of what we're going for. Nice gradation from dark blue down to the horizon, and then after this we'll be printing up a gradation. So you can see this base tone, which was a light gray. It kind of just sits underneath everything else. Kind of just makes everything unified as these gradations go from dark to light. So this is my setup here. A Baron brush. This is a moist towel. Got my paste and my pigment. Just did a little test strip of what the pigment would look like, what the color is. It's always good for reference. So we'll start just by moistening this block. Little paste. For now I'm putting 4 dots of pigment. And now we're just brushing this. I have my brush marked with a dot, so I know that's the dark end. We're just going back and forth in a straight line. You can see that gradation. And now the moisture on the block is just kind of pulling that pigment naturally down. But at the end, I'm just going to move my brush down slightly until these back bristles hit this horizon line. Make sure my Kento is clean. Using a cover sheet to protect the back of the paper. So you can see that's not dark enough and rich enough, so I'm going to have to run this again. So I do the same exact step. Little moisture. And this time I brought the pigment down a little bit further. If you circle with the brush, if you do circles, it'll bring the pigment down. So this one I want it to come down a little further. Make sure that area is clean. Now here we go for the second one. You have to be very careful with your placing it into the registration. It has to be exact every time. There's a little too much pigment over here, or water. So we gotta make sure we clean this out. But that's closer to what we're looking for. So that's two impressions to make that gradation. So I'm happy with that. So we learn to keep these wet so they stay put. And then we just do the same step every time, exactly the same. But I really have to keep this edge dry. This time I'm doing 5 drops. This is a new sheet. That's one. Put it back in the bag, and we'll do the second one right away. So registration is key because if not, these little holes for the snow won't line up properly. Again, the second one I brought down the gradation or the pigment down a little bit further. That's the second. Makes it real smooth. Really nice. So we just keep going forward in this fashion for all 50 sheets. Try to make it exactly the same every time. Pigment builds up on my knife. I just wipe it off on this block. Always keeping an eye on these edges. It's a new sheet. Be sure to rotate your bearing cover every once in a while so it doesn't wear out. Forgot this step. So for the second impression, I kind of circle the brush a little bit more. Bring it down. It's looking good. So we just keep doing this about 48 more times.